All right, so welcome, guys. I'm live again. It's another Monday, and we are taking it lead. So today is Monday, January 30th. What does that mean to you guys? It's a day for you to start taking action because a new year is running. I know usually we always complain that ah January is always very so long, but right now January has ended. I'm sure this one everyone will agree with me that it was super duper short. Trust me, there's no any month that is longer than the other one. Now you just not get money. So welcome as you come and join us now to make money so that no any other month will be too long for you. You're welcome, guys. So let me know where you guys are joining us from. Drop your location in the comment section. I'm right now in Lagos, Nigeria. What about you? Excellent Trader said he's from Bauchi, Nigeria. Uh, I mean, you guys are just really doing well. You always make me happy. Sorry guys for keeping 400 of you waiting. I'm so sorry about that. My network is misbehaving. The network is just a play. It's playing. Sorry. Oh, okay. I think I'm back now. Please, can you guys just kindly confirm? Can you hear me now? Can you hear me clearly? Can you guys hear me clearly? Can you guys hear me now? If you can hear me, please kindly confirm. If you can hear me, just say yes, I can hear you. Okay, Aditala say yes, you can hear. Okay, thank you. Thanks. Okay, amazing. So we stopped at you commenting your location for us to see. Okay, this our brother said is from Chad. So that person said is from where Kenya, from Kenya. Man, a lot of people from Benway, from where are you guys? Escravos. I think that should be in Nigeria. Escravos should be in Nigeria. Okay, thank you. From Ghana. It's other guys. Where are they from? Where are they from? Surulere, Nigeria, Rwanda, Abata, Enugu, Mowe, Cameroon, Abuja, Rwanda, man, I mean, Bonny Island, India, from Oka, Nigeria, South Africa, Lagos. I mean, it's a lot here. I can't onboard everybody on screen, but just know that everyone is connected all over the world. Nice to have you guys. We have someone from Cyprus, Georgia, from Ibadan, like that. So here's it. It is super important that you all know that no matter where you are all joining us from, the goal is one. The goal is to make money. Let's make money together. Now, you willing? Are you ready to want to make money with me? Let's go. So I titled today's live stream as "Catch This Huge Move with me on GBPUSD" because it's a huge move. The move is mind blowing. The move that is coming is mind-blowing. It's so huge, that so much so that only me, I can't finish the money for this week. I can't. So that's why I want to share with you guys. I want to share this money with you guys. I mean, whether or not any mentorship or anything, so that you guys can know that it's not about money. It's not about money. So that you guys can be able to afford anything that you want. Can be able to buy whatever you want to buy, be able to just cash out really big money, make mama proud. Exactly. I want us to make mama proud. All right, so let's go. Let me share my screen. I know you guys didn't want to see my face right now. You don't want to see the screen now. Jeff, let's make money. Let's make money. Let's make money. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Are we selling? This is from First Deal. Here's the problem. Why would you want to sell this type of market? First, let's do an analysis that will tell us whether we are selling or buying. Okay, agreed. Let me not try to fault you or anything. Fault you by saying you should have known that this is a buy or you sell. Okay. Can you see this level height held? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Immediately when I came this morning on my screen, I checked it. I said, the first thing I said, see money everywhere. Money everywhere, nobody's speaking. I'm like, see money on the floor, see money on the floor, see money on the floor. Now, what we could do differently now is start looking at the chart as a zone, Like we have here now, this is a zone. Immediately price got to this one, what happened? Rejection. Go back to this zone, rejection. Here, rejected. Even came back here, rejection. Remember, the more it touches on a zone, the more that point will likely get weaker, and then whenever it breaks anytime soon, boom, an aggressive push. So that's what you are expecting. Now you'll be like, Jeff, why am I not? Since it touched this zone, it dropped. Touched here, dropped. There's a consistency with touching that zone and dropping. Why am I not anticipating that it's going to touch this zone and really drop aggressively? We should look forward to sell, like what we have. This guy, who is his name? Like saying is it Foxtail or something? Like say we should sell. Yeah, something like that. Someone said blurry screen. Screen is blurry. I don't even know how to solve that. I'll be trying. Maybe it's my network. It's my network. Let me try. I've tried improving my network. I don't even know. But I don't want us to miss out on this money. Let's go. So where's the money? Emmy on lyrics. Just the play. You can't see this money now that I'm showing you. You can't see money. Boom, boom, boom. Imagine just putting, don't put too much, just put 10 standard lot size on this pair. Here now, 10 standard lot size. Catch 100 pips with 10 standard lot size. How much would that be? Press your calculator, 10 standard lot size. So per each move, 10 standard lot size, each pip move is $100. So $100 times 100. Please do that real quick. 10 standards. That's about $10K. $10,000. I'm telling you that that's the possibility of what you can get right now. You're telling me where is the money? Hey! Guys, please kindly increase your video quality. It's going to work. You see, someone just said increase your video quality. You would see it clearer. I don't even know what's going on here. I don't know what's going on here too. Maybe it's the network. So you see how price has tested this point. And if I shrink my chart really well, hold on, I know some of you are on phone, Android users, don't worry, I'll come. Now, I'm not attacking anybody here, but just don't mind me. So Android users, don't worry, because of you, I'll be zooming in like this soon. This I'll be zooming in for the benefit of the Android user. Especially this one that are using Xiaomi. What's the pronunciation of those Chinese phone? I love those phones, don't get me wrong. Their names are just funny to me. I know people will not let somebody to rest in the comment section now. Like, hey, I've started attacking people. I'm not. So if I shrink this chart, you notice that this is the first low, this is another low again. All right. So if you understand structure on how it works, is this is a retest to continue to the upside. It is like the exact same noise that price made here before it started moving up. That's the exact same noise that is making here. Just that this one is looking a little bit bigger. Can you see? Just see that and see peace. That's one thing I just wanted to see. See that and see money. So if you had known that after this noise happened a couple of, say, months ago, and then there's going to be a bullish move, how would you have reacted? Imagine me a couple of months. Now I know better. A couple of months ago here, I was trying to sell. Hey, a market collected my stop loss. It was painful to see. Painful to see. I mean, I know people will still be talking about this Xiaomi thing that I talked about. No, Sandro, this as a follow. Yes, exactly. You have no choice than to follow. Imagine people with iPhone 14 Pro Max are following me. And these are, you know, go follow. Okay? You go follow now. Why you not go follow? You must follow. It's a must. So let's go to the chart. So imagine you knew that this was a consolidation to continue, you'd have taken a better decision. Now we are also telling that this and that consolidation now to continue to the upside. So what would you be doing? Start cleaning your phone. Bring out your phone, clean it. If you deleted your MT4 or MT5 before, go back and reinstall it from your Apple Store. Okay, App Store, they don't longer have it except you downloaded it before. Go back on your app, Android, download it. Anyway, just go and download it because something's about to go down. Now, what are we watching out for? Remember, at the beginning of this of the candle for this week, these are high of the week and these are low of the week. How did we even get the high and low of the week? It's pretty simple. All I just did was to come here to look for the first two candles to open for the beginning of the week. If I'm too fast, let me know, guys. If I'm too fast, let me know because I really want to take it easy peasy because it's a more everybody. I have to take your hand this year and force you to learn. I'm not pampering you this year. Whether or not you like it, you must make money. You must make mama proud. That's it. Okay. Let me not say make money. You must make mama proud. The year of being wayward and is over. That ended with 2022, but 2023, it is a more. Okay, somebody said that too fast. Okay, you're too fast. Somebody say too fast. Wow, you put not vibing at the same frequency. You know what? Let me drop the tempo. Let me take it to like 0.5x. You know what? What you guys need to do this year is that you must know how to follow us through and through. Can't even know because he's burning me. Somebody say, hey, playing. They are playing, yeah. Now my force by fire, Okay, let's go back to the chat again. So Jeff, they play. Okay, now let's go. Now on this chart, you see we have formed the first two candles at the beginning of the week. These are high and low of the week. Whenever you know the highest point of the first two. So this is candle number one. How did I know that these were even the first two candles? Why? If I hover, anywhere I hover my mouse around, check the bottom, this black thing at the bottom. You can see, say Friday. As I'm hovering here, and it's telling me the detail and the time and date for this particular candle. So this candle right now was printed on Friday, 27th January 2023 at that's 7 p.m. That's 19 o'clock, 7 p.m. So if I go to the next one, what does it say? Sunday, 29 January 2023, that's 23 o'clock. That's 11 p.m. If I move to the next one, then this is Monday, 30th January 2023, 3 a.m. Why? Because we're on 4-hour time frame. Remember, guys, 4-hour time frame. So what that simply means is for one candle to open and to close to finish burning lasts for 4 hours. So since this one opened 11 p.m., then this next candle open. This one closed at 11. The next one also will open at 3. It will be due to open at 3. So that's why. So hence, these are the first two candles to form for this week. So always, in order for us, I don't want us to do it by days of the week because some people might actually be in Australia because now we are in daytime. In Australia, it's practically night. US is just waking. It's a wonderful year window. So that's why I don't want us to. I want to teach us in a generic way so that we'll be able to meet at a point and then you will always be able to spot. Okay, this is the first candle. This is the second candle. Now here's it. Every Monday morning when you wake up, just come here to the settings, come to appearance, and come to session breaks. If you see, I toggle on off this thing. What happened? The grid line that were here before I disappear. That's if you want to keep your chart clean, that's what you need. But in order for you to use that grid line to achieve what we want right now, come back to settings, appearance, session breaks, and toggle it on. Immediately the grid lines appear. What does this grid line means? Each of these grid line boxes represent daily action. Remember, each candle represents 4-hour kind action. So let's count each candle per day. So this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 4-hour candle make a day. So now all you have to just do it now. Okay, today is a Monday. Which was the first candle to start forming that it's Monday? 1. And which is the second? 2. PIM. That's all you need to do. So that's why I even say you don't even need to be a Harvard graduate for you to be trading and be making crazy money and making mama proud. You don't need it. You don't need it. It's very unnecessary. All you just need is, if you have money, you can. If your dad is a politician here, you can. But you don't really need it. Even if you're an average person, don't give excuses. Oh, I only have an Android phone. My phone is Oppo. I can't do anything, or my phone is not really good enough, or my phone is Huawei. Is it Huawei or Huawei? I don't know pronunciation, but that one, that phone, you know it. I can't really do much with it. I mean, you don't have to start giving excuse. Even if you are using iPhone 4, you still can do this thing. You can do anything. You can do this thing. Okay. So what you have to now do is to mark out the lowest, mark out the highest. All right. Let price come to you at this region, and then you trade. That's all you need. Now, what region should we be watching out for us to take action? In order for you to know that this concept I just taught you that is $1 million concept, that it works crazily, let me show you what has happened in the past, like last week. During last week, let me put on that session break again so that you can calculate for last week. This one will also make me to know whether or not you understand what they're saying. So today is Monday, so this is Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, and last week Monday. So this is the high and this is the low. Then I'm just going to come here again, check. I'm going to take horizontal ray button icon. I'm going to mark the highest. I'll go back there again. I'm going to mark the lowest of either of them. Either if it is the first candle that is the highest, I'm going to mark it. If it's the lowest, if the second that is the lowest, I'm going to mark it. But right now, this one happened that the first candle has the lowest and the second candle has the highest. So any one of them, either of them, always know. Anyone that have the highest and lowest, that's what you're looking at for. So what does this help us to achieve? Last week, you saw what happened. Immediately, we have a decision candle. Decision candle is any candle that breaks first, either down or to the upside, that breaks to one direction. So the decision candle for last week's trading behavior action was this one, was here. This big red candle, this one. How did I know that it's a decision candle? Decision candle is any candle that breaks outside the line, either the below line or the above line first. Any candle that does that first. The body, it's not the wick. Even if the wick comes out and the body go back again, no, that's not counted. It has to be the body that breaks out. So what happens after the decision line? The decision candle, what happened next? What's next? You have to wait for price to either come back to the low of the week or to come back to the high of the week, and then you go in direction of what the decision candle wants you to go. Decision candle simply means for this week we are going to be doing more of sales. That's what last week meant. More of sales. That does not mean buy will not happen. More on the line, more of sales. Buys will definitely happen because market does not go in one way. Market always move in form of wave. It always gives to buyers and it gives to sellers. So you always have to have that in. You always have to have that factored in, because generally in price, whatsoever goes up must come down. It's all demands in value. It's all about matter of value. Whatsoever goes down must one point in time also what come up. These are the things that you have to always keep in check. So at what point will you be able to detect that, okay, this price has also actually got into a discounted price for me to join? That is where some tools I'm going to be introducing to you guys soon will be coming. That's where now you want to catch the big move with me. That's what I'm going to be using to get this catching big move. You see what happened? This was on Monday. Monday, we don't usually trade because it's to check the directional bias. You see why we don't trade on Monday now? Because if you're trading on Monday, you don't even know what's to happen, because ideally we're only predicting what is supposed to happen. Or we allow market to act and then we react. That's a way for us to be less predictive. Because if you're always predicting, like you're doing Bet Niger, you're doing Tete, you don't want to be in that space. So, but what you love to do, what you want to do in order for you to have a certainty, a strategy that has an edge, a system that is proven, is you let the market act and then you react. So imagine if I had seen this action, price action, this is market acting, price dropped at this point, and then it came back up to this point. Then I know that since price has come back to this point, this is the low of the week. At the psychological level here, what do? I react. Simple. So I don't have, like what I taught you guys last week, I don't have to start predicting that, oh, price is going to come. I don't have to start doing all this excessive drawing. Price is going to come here. As it come here, it's going to drop. If it come here, it's going to do that. How am I sure that all these things will happen? I'm not a wizard, obviously. No one is. No one is. So that's why it's important you understand when they say price action, what price action actually means. Price action doesn't necessarily mean predicting the future price always, constantly. No. It's letting price take action, you react. This is just what I just want to show you guys. So now you see, immediately price got here, what happened? Price drop. Why? What must have forced price to want to drop from here? Because of these things this is a solid zone. It's a solid zone. Apart from that, it's a solid zone. There's a high resistance there. Also, there's low of the week right there. Pay attention to that, because we are not just really one paying attention to it. So what happened? Why did price have to just do a lot of hesitations right here, and then immediately started consolidating to one drop? Why? There's low of the week here. So I think I made a killing on this one. You guys saw my trade that I called out on Thursday. If you enjoyed that trade, please kindly give me some accolades. I beg, give me some accolades in the group chat, in the comment section. I need it. Give me. I need it, because I said we were going to make Mama proud last week, and then we all make crazy profit. I think I deserve it. Thank you. Thank you for giving me. Thank you. This accolades, I'm not saying this. So Jeff, your excitement is over full. Yes. Thank you, Peter Moses. Thank you. I'm not just saying this because I want praises or anything, but I want other people who are just coming in now to know that, okay, Jeff isn't playing. When Jeffrey said this is it and that's it. Wow, we have almost 1K people on call. Nice. Let's go back to the task. Somebody say Agba. I love that. Nelson Mandela said that whenever you speak a language that someone understands, that goes to his head. But when you speak a man's language, that goes straight to his heart. Agba, correct. So let's go. Now you see, this is a zone, and this is a zone. Movement is already happening because I'm explaining. I want to go deeper. This market, don't try to sell low, please. If you are on this call, for all the 1,000 people that are streaming right now on this call, if you try to sell, after hitting your stop loss, and I know that you sold, I will seize your phone. Honestly, I will. Don't just let me know. Don't tag me on Instagram and tell me that, oh, I sold, I was on sale, and it took my, because I'll be like, who sent you? That'll be my question. That'll be my question to you. So don't sell low. Let's talk about that's for last week. See how, just want you guys to know how powerful psychological high and low of the week is. You see how price was respecting each time price come to this point, it was respecting crazily, respected. Although I lost this trade, you saw I put an X there. That was a losing trade for me, but I caught here crazily. When this news happened, I caught here massive down all my team members. Okay, but if I catch it when you know what it is now, if I catch it when I catch it really big, and then that makes up for the rest. Now, what are we expecting now? What is the big move? Trust me when I say trust me. Can you see the consolidation that is happening here? Okay, check. This is a high, and this is another high. Ideally, with trend line, I've taught you that trend line always have 3 touches. The fourth one will most likely break, except in a very strong trend where we have about 4 to 10 touches. That one rarely happens, but averagely in 7 out of 10 times, trend line always have 3 touches. And now we've had how many touches here now? 1, 2, and 3. So what this is telling us that price might just pull back down to this point, and then as it's going up aggressively, it might touch here so that it form a double bottom here, and then start going up, or maybe extend a bit to touch here and start going up aggressively. But what we are watching out for is a buy move. So that's why it's not ideal to trade on Monday. Do not rush. Why are you in a hurry, guys? Don't be in a hurry. Why are you in a hurry? You don't have to be in a hurry, because markets generally would always come to you. Mondays are for directional move. Check what is happening on Monday, and then Tuesday you start acting that information. So you wait for price action, and then you start reacting. But some of you want to be faster than your shadows. That's why you lose. You go and check your losses history book. You find out that your highest losses will be on Mondays. Go and check this thing. Check what is the day that I always lose the most of my money. Go and check. And again, people don't keep data. That's one thing. You don't keep, like, if you're in my mentorship, you know that why you're in my mentorship is not for you to see no new strategy. Is I'm forcing you to start doing the right things that will make you to become a millionaire in the shortest time possible. And that small things lies in, and those things to make you a millionaire really rich lies in these small things that you are overlooking. That's why you need someone, a mentor over your life, like in the finance space, because finance is one thing that you can be very, very lackadaisical about. Tiny thing, you just, but it's not savings. Don't worry, I'll put it back. You go and bust your colo. Don't worry, investment. Don't worry, I will invest tomorrow. You will not invest and use your money to go to Cubana and do shady blah blah blah. You understand? So these are the things that naturally make you to take caution. Money, when it leaves your hand, it's no longer yours. You say, oh, don't worry, my friend wants me to just give him to hold. Let me give him to hold now. Maybe it's my party. You give me back when it's time. Then you give your friend. What happens afterwards? Story comes in, and then there's a fuse in friendship. So there are many other things that can just make you to lose money. In fact, if you have money as a rich person, do you know that you're in bigger trouble? It's better you don't even have money. If you have money, that's what I mean. It's better you don't have money. Like, it's better that you don't allow people to know that you have money. Because if you have money, everybody wants to take it from you. Even your wife wants to take it from you. Church wants to take it from you. Anything, everything. Government is after you, taxes. Just that the name is different in each. If you really sit down, just sit down and think about this thing I'm telling you now. Sit down and think about it. Everybody wants your brother. They want to take it from you. And the funny thing is, if you're not okay, let me not even go to that point of death. Okay. That's it. So you have to just learn, be disciplined, and have a plan regarding everything around you. Even in the forex market, as you are in on the trade, the money you came in with, the small $100 that you have, the small $100 that Wale funds, the broker want to take it from him. Broker want to take it from you. Other big traders that have been in the market industry, they have gray hair, they have 42 years old in the industry. They want to take it from you. $100. You think it's small money, $100. Everybody's chasing to take it from you. Everybody's fighting, they want to take it from you. So why? Because that's how the system just works. They don't want to take it from you because they hate you or because they don't like you. If they don't take it, they will starve. Do you see? Just like the story of the lion and the gazelle. Lion and the gazelle. The lion wakes up early in the morning. The gazelle wakes up and says, God, help me to outrun the fastest lion, the pack of the lion. But the lion is a very conservative trader. I love lion. Lion is a very conservative trader. The lion is saying, God, help me. I just want to be able to outrun the slowest gazelle. Very conservative. He doesn't even need to do too much because, they always come in pack. They always come in a group. He just wants to just catch. He's not even chasing the fastest because that one is we live to fight another day. He's fighting. He just wants to catch the slowest moving one. You understand? So that's why he's always on point. So now we have about 1,059 people currently streaming. Wow, this is one of the biggest so far. Okay, so good. So that's what the lion wants to do. So what I'm telling you guys now, as a trader, mindset shift. As you're in this forex market, do not look forward to always catching trades, entering trade, getting in and out, No. It's when you listen to my previous videos, you will notice that it is when most traders, if you came for Forex Millionaire Expo, you find out that even Dakpo said it, Habi said it, but in different ways. But what they're saying is when they started doing less is more. They started doing less, knowing what to do at that less period of time. That is the main thing. All right. Like last week, I think I was just able to catch one huge winning trade. And I made crazy, I made killing. I posted two profits. One, I was flipping $1,000 I flipped $1,000 to 1,400 and something. I posted on YouTube. But at some point, that I was losing. I lost on Tuesday. I lost on Wednesday. So those losses took me from $1,000 to $888. That is, I lost about $122 or so. Or let's say about $200 that I lost. Just put it that way for ease of calculation. But when I was making, I think I made $600 plus. That is trading. Whenever you are losing, never in the history of your trading, allow your wins to be lesser than your losses. Or let me reverse. Do not allow your losses to be bigger than your wins. That is trading. Simple. So whenever you are getting it right, you know that, okay, this move, I'm very sure that it's a buy move, or I'm very sure that it's a sell move. What you have to do is learn and look for strategies to maximize and double down on your wins. Okay? Now, since you are 1,000 or few people right now, give this video a like. Let more people come in on this call and learn how to actually catch the huge move. Now, let's go. Let me show you what you should be looking at for now. Next. Price is already showing form of hesitation now for it to go up. Trust me, some people are already buying. If not, you won't be seeing this bullish kind of period. You know what? Should I tell you what is going to happen to them? This is what is going to happen to them soon. It's a must. I don't know you. I'm not a prophet. I don't know you from nowhere. You will hit stop loss. I don't know you. I'm not a prophet. You will hit stop loss if you are trying to buy at this point. And I'm not even joking. Do I know you before? Have I seen you before? No. I've not. You will hit stop loss if you are buying right now. I know I'm talking like a prophet right now. Remember, All this what I'm telling you, they are prophetical. They are prophetic. This guy won't laugh, but okay. So one thing that you have to know is always chill, calm down, relax. Some of you, your blood to the heart, too much hurry. Calm down, calm down. Okay, calm down. So should I tell you how I'm supposed to trade this? Now look, I'll wait. I'll be very patient for price. Price might actually test here. You still know your trade. Don't sell. I mean, sorry, don't buy. Don't buy. I'll wait for a total exhaustion to somewhere around anything that will be lower than this previous low. That's what I will be waiting for. Do you know why I'll be waiting for something that is lesser than my previous low? So that we know that this is a bullish move, correct? But this bullish move will not start not until it gives a lot of fake out. Maybe it can come here and form equal low with this level that we have here. Come back here and form equal low with this level that we have here. You see? So much so that it will fake. Many people are, including people who are thinking that this is lowest, this is the low of the week. Whenever price gets here, it should bounce up. No. Price might just come straight down here, touch here, and then whenever price come here, now that's when the bullets you have been reserving. Now that's when you start loading it up and finish your bullets here. No, don't finish your bullet. Let me know. I don't want you guys to go. They're gonna be doing ritualist lot size, Lamborghini lot size, 100 standard lot. There's one guy I saw, he's doing crazy lot size. I'm seeing that guy. I've just been monitoring him in the group. But it is what it is. But always make sure you maintain risk, proper risk, because there's nothing like that. If you lose your money today, all your body will just be pain. You might not even be able to join this live session because you are pained. I will just be annoying you. Some people are actually on this call and I'm annoying them. Do you know why I'm annoying them? And I'm not the problem, because they lost their account. I wasn't the one that told them to buy or sell. They use their hand to push the buy and sell, but they are angry because a losing man is an angry man. You see. So if you're actually getting angry right now, just know that calm down. We are with you. I'm also losing money at some point. I'm going to tell you that so you can feel okay, we can feel better with yourself, but you can always bounce back. Don't be angry, yeah? We definitely will bounce back, but be calming down next time. If you ever get money to fund again, calm down. Always remember that word. Wait at the strategic level. Wait at the strategic zone. When price get there, you hit it really hard. Okay, you hit when you are sure of this move, you say, okay, this is the bottom of this move. It's about time for me to go lit with it. Hit it really hard. Hit it. This guy said, body just detain me. Ben, I said, talk to me directly. I mean. He said, now why pain the blood? Exactly. Now why pain did their blood? Exactly. That's why. So now let's go. Let me go deeper. Let me go deeper a little bit more. As I'm doing like this, and some people think I'm about to flaunt my wristwatch, and it's not true. Let me remove the wristwatch so people not think that I'm trying to flaunt it. Let me just keep it. Although it's expensive though, you know, but let me just keep it. Let me keep it. Tell me your watch is expensive by not telling me your watch is expensive. That's what I just did now. But it's expensive. You guys know it's no joke. This is Lacoste. No joke. But don't Google it though. So now, at this point, what I'm just watching out for, I want price to come back to this zone. Once price gets to that zone, what that is telling me is, since price has tested this zone, it moved up. Price tested this zone, it moved up. Another price that is coming to test here, boom, is a killing. Not just that, because price has bust below the low of the week, and it has just touched a psychological level. There are extra two conferences telling me, Jeff, it's about time. It's about time. And you guys would also agree with me that in no time, if price come back to that zone, then this is our trend line. Obviously, if you had been in my trend line class, I've taught you how to draw a perfect trend line that is going to hold your money. That will not hang your money, but it will hold your money. This is the perfect way. So that's it. You see, a test here. Then if it now comes down here, then you know that it has changed. It will not be like this way. Because it can't come so much down that it's not going to respect this zone that it's going to test at this bottom. You understand? So if I were you now, let me do a screenshot. I just want 1,000 people now. I wanted to screenshot this and put on my Signal channel. I bet you if I screenshot this and put on my Signal channel, people will think I want them to sell. So that's why there are some things I want to be related to you guys, but I'm scared for other people that are the newbie. If I send this way, people will start buying and some will start selling because they think that it's Signal. But I just wanted to explain so that you guys will know that, okay, Jeff actually said this before it happened. That's why I wanted to screenshot. But okay, on your own, just keep me accountable, screenshot it and keep it. Next class, subsequent class, call me back to it. If any, or we'll just check on you. You don't even need to call me back to it. Price will definitely prove me right by even before today runs out or tomorrow. You see it. How did I know? How am I able to tell? Because price I tested 1, 2, 3. As it's testing 3, this low that is created here, this one has to be lower than this low, or at least equal. Because in Elliott wave, we have 5 wave counts. All right. In the 5th wave to drop, or let me show you guys something real quick. Like in Elliott wave, we have what we call truncative 5. Let me just jump. The truncative 5. Elliott wave is like this: move up, down, move up, down, move up. Now, if the final one I want to end, now it can come like this, form an equal high, and then start dropping again, rallying. Okay, rallying again like that. That's how market move. So this is a low, all right, and this is a high. This is higher than this low, so that's why it's going to be called a higher low. That's why it's called higher low. And then this is higher than this high, so it is higher high. So it's represented with HH. You see, that's market structure for you. And then this is a high, but this is low, but it's at least higher than this previous low. So it's called a higher high, HL. Higher low rather. Then this is a higher high again. And this is a higher low. Then it's supposed to be a higher high. But since if it was unable to go higher than this and form equal move, this is what we call truncative move, or we call truncative 5 move. That's in a wave of 5. This is just it's a rough stuff. It's always supposed to be 5 wave count. So this is where Fibonacci comes in for those who are really crazy about Fibonacci, that love Fibonacci. They understand this type of market condition. Excuse me. Fibonacci is to gauge at what extent would this retracement get to before it continues to be upside, because this is an impulsive move. Everybody wants to catch the impulsive move. This is an impulsive move. Impulse is always long. Impulse, because this corrective move can be it can take the longest time. So that's why by statistics, market does more of ranging than trending. So at the time that it does this trending, the candles are always very fast. Now let me show you this thing I just show you guys now in real life market. Can you see? Can you see? This is an impulsive move. This is a consolidating move. Can you see the number of candles that it took for this consolidating move to even for it to finish forming? It's a lot from here. How many? This thing will tell us the bars of candle. This is how many? 283 bars that it took. And it took 2 days, 22 hours, 45 minutes. Check impulsive move. Check impulse. Impulse is from this bottom where the move just a boom to here. How many? That's why money does not make noise. That's why when you go to the bank, they don't play music. 68 bars. 68 bars that will give you this crazy money. And how many pips did this give? This gave 238 pips. For those who do not know what this means is, if you had put one standard lot size, this would have been $2,380 US dollars. If you had put 10,000, 10 lots, I almost said 10,000 lots. Okay, we are not ready for the bank. If you have put 10 lots, this would have been 23K. That's what this translates to. All right. So this is how, just paying attention. Now, when to trade, to you guys really learn, you need to know when to trade, what time of the day to trade. I see some people trading at midnight. They think it's hustle, it's bombing. No. This is not your regular. No. It's not what you are thinking. It's not. This is way beyond that. All right. So that's how just Elliott wave works. So now, in order for price has touched a 1, it drop impulse. Let me show you that impulse again. You notice that this Elliott wave trade I just taught you now, like this simple basic. I don't like to complicate things for you guys. This simple basic that let me check whether you guys are still following through. Let me check. Somebody say Access Bank, they play music. Oh. Now why na money they day on hold? Now why na money they day on hold? Money don't like noise, serious. Money don't like noise. Now let's go. Show these guys are following. Now, let me show you that Elliott wave that I just taught you guys now in this is how to catch big move. This is an impulsive move in this regard. Although this is a counter trend trading, but in this regard, this is impulsive. This is corrective move. This is not impulsive. Can you see? Corrective move. This is another. This is like a truncative move now. It formed the same, almost the same low. What happened from here? Boom. It started going to the other side. Trend changes. Remember what I also told you here, that whenever a truncative happen, where am I now? Where am I? Whenever a truncative stuff happen, then boom, it shifts. You see, whenever a truncative stuff happen, trend will just change. Immediately the truncative happen, trend will change, start coming down now. That's just basically, that's how price work generally. All right. So now, can you see impulse correction, impulse correction? Then you did 1, 2, then boom, straight to the upside. So that's what we are seeing. This inside a small Elliott wave. There's a mini Elliott wave. Inside a mini Elliott wave, there's a micro. Inside the micro, there's nano. Inside, like small like that. So if I'm to go to 1 minute now, this one I just said it's an impulsive move. You'll find out that there are smaller Elliott wave inside it. So it's really broad. Why? Because market does not move in straight way. It's whatever time frame you are. If you like be trading as a swing trader, as a position trader, as anyone at all that you want to be at, and you want to be doing, as a scalper, market does not move in a straight way. You will always find your wave. Everything is always there. Everything is always there. That's one thing that you always have to know. All right. So what you just have to wait for now here is wait for price to come back to the zone, and then you look forward to short. So let me put the projection there. I don't know, but however, there's a way you react when price already at your zone. You don't want to just see a healthy candle. Hold on, let me look for a candle that will just depict what I'm trying to say. You don't want to see a candle that will come really aggressive, bullish like this. It bursts here open, a bearish shaving, and then you say, oh, because suggested we should buy it, let me just start buying, buy. No, it's village that is calling them. You don't want to do that. What you have to do is you have to wait for. Can you see how price reacted at this zone? Can you see weak rejection? Things like this. You don't enter at the first testing of a zone. No. You don't do that. You see, it tested here, it came back, tested, it came back again, tested, came back. On this third one, or the second one, the fourth one, that's when you should be getting in. Why? There's so much confirmation telling you that, yes, this zone is rejecting. See, this guy came back, tested, came back here, tested, came back here, tested, even went far, came back again, tested one more time before taking off. But no, this is why are you in a hurry? It's actually out there for you guys that always want to rush. Don't be in a hurry. You shouldn't be in a hurry. All right, so that's it about that. I'm sure you guys have gotten value today. I mean, this is 42 minutes of huge value. I mean, huge value. Huge value. If you're not getting value, I mean, from this class, you're not paying attention. If you are to work, it's because of your work that you're not getting value. Write a resignation letter. So you have to say that low key. Don't do that. For plan an exit strategy. Plan an exit strategy away from your work. Plan an exit strategy away from your job. It's possible. I have had a lot of people that have done that in my mentorship. They plan an exit strategy away. So do you know what I told them? The first time they came, look at what I did to one guy. He said, I met him at Forex Millionaire Expo. He said that he resigned his job, but he started trading the beginning of 2020. I just wish I recorded this thing. He said he just listened to my video, and then this is the plan I did. He resigned, he started trading, and he started making enough profit that in a month he's able to say about account for $1,500, $2,000. I mean, he said that's way more than the money he was earning. All you just have to do was to commit at least 2 hours of learning. I mean, you guys even have this time to actually commit, but you don't even know what to do with the time. I mean, some people so much have time that if they were to be renting time, hey, they'll be the biggest landlord. If they were to be renting time, people would be so big. If you had to rent out your time, it'd be so. But you know what they are doing this time? They are doing things that are insignificant with you, and it's so painful, and they don't know. They don't know they are doing things insignificant with their time. Imagine somebody with his own time, go on Instagram and start. Let me not even go there. Somebody say time lord. Okay. So with that said, just know what to spend your time in. I don't want to go, but the guy planned an exit strategy. He only had 2 hours a day that he was focusing in and learning the things at the back office at 5 people. I mean, it's pretty. affordable if you really want to really take it serious. I would have made all these things free, but no, no. Part of being a successful person involves paying. You have to pay price. There's no nothing that is free. No nothing. Don't allow anybody to lie to you. No nothing that is free. No nothing. Honestly, I'm not saying this because I want to sell something. No. No nothing that is free. Somebody reached out to me a while ago. They said they want to buy me. No, I was catching cruise that anybody that on Instagram, if I follow me on Instagram, you know what I'm saying. That anybody, all these online vendors, I want to key them with how much and I'll get back to you. So a lady chatted me over that I should buy a stand for filming my set. And that stand, we said it's 210,000 naira. In equivalent to dollars, I think that should be in dollars, that should be about $300, if I'm not mistaken. $300. So I'm like, somebody reached out to me today, said that you want to buy that for me. I'm like, no, 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 you don't have to do that. Thank you very much. I appreciate you. You don't have, why? If I really need that thing, I have to actually take money from a part that pains me, and then that's when I'll pay much attention to it. Now, I'm not displacing the part of gift and every other thing, but no, for something that I know that I want to use to gain more value, I have to put money in it. No, nothing is free. Don't allow anybody to lie to you. No, nothing. Even in church, salvation is not free. It's not free. Jesus paid it. He paid the price. So it's not free. But if it was free, there wouldn't have been no need for him to pay. You see. So even in church, even Christianity is not free. You have to buy Bible. You know, you have to, because if you don't buy Bible, there's problem. You have to buy one. have you seen where they say, come and take your free Bible? Come and take. Nah. Hey, nothing is free, man. Nothing. You say na true talk. Exactly. Christ paid for you. If you see maybe where they are sharing free food, nothing like free food. Just that somebody came couple of minutes ago to pay for those food for you, or a couple of hours ago to pay for the price for those food, because it's not free. I'm gonna go tell somebody that is selling tomatoes, oh, come and give me free tomatoes. I want to cook for people for free. Like how? So I mean, that's it for today. So if you have questions, bring up questions. Let's trash it. Oh, amazing. Somebody said we share same time zone with Australia, or some part of Australia. Okay, maybe that makes sense. Some part of Australia. I don't really know their complete time zone that they all use. Somebody said even failure is not free. You have to consciously fail. Oh, it's so true. Even failure is not free. Yes. No be lie. Even failure to fail, you not free. Let's go now. Bring up some questions. Bring up some forest questions. Let's trash it. As a swing trader, that passed. If you can send it in again, please send it in. Okay, now this is from Henry. Please, one more time, explain the first 4 hours candle of the week. No, you have to listen to that on recording, so we don't bore people that already understand. There are so many people on this call, so I don't want to bore them. I don't want to bore them with re-explaining. When it's actually recorded, you can watch it later on, please. Do you have any discount code for MFF? No, I don't have that. Thanks. Man, this is really rushing so fast. Somebody said bad advice is free. That's true. I mean, this is so fast. Okay, have I checked DXY? Have you checked DXY? No, I don't have to check. I didn't check. I know DXY accurately measures, it's an index for USD. That makes sense, but I just love to. I'm a pure technical analyst. I don't want to look at a third party stuff to check. And it's just me. I'm the first part. My chart is the first party, and I'm the second party. We are dealing together. I just want to be looking at one thing and one thing alone. I don't want to use another thing to. In fact, I'm not saying it doesn't work. It works. But what I'm saying is, I prefer less is more. Focus on one thing. Focus on pattern. Focus on conferences. My company says I should buy, I will buy. My company says I should sell, I will sell. It just aligns with what DSR will also be saying. So it saves time and cost and everything. So would there be Valentine discounts? I saw something like that now. Yes, there would be. In 5 pips, there will be Valentine discount. discount for couples. So, and for if you have a boy, if you have a girlfriend, you this boy, if you don't, you look like somebody that doesn't have a girlfriend. No discount for you. No discount. The only thing, like, they just serve you breakfast. And I'm a piano, no? I'm a piano, not concerned with the serve breakfast. I'm a piano with the carry. Ah, you look like you just broke your heart, bro. It's only if you can show me your girlfriend, then I'll give you discount. It's for lovers. Valentine's for lovers here, so we should be celebrating discount for only lovers. If you're not in love, nothing concern you concern discount with us. Nothing. Okay. Can I place a buy limit? Don't try that, man. Don't try buy limit. So what is important, why you shouldn't place a buy limit is price sometimes may actually invalidate as when and go below. So when you don't have so much something doing, why can't you just check and hold on for price to get to your zone, and then you get in at that point? No need waiting, no need setting price, predetermining price. Let's see price action at that zone, and then you take action. You see. Okay, so this guy said he has a girlfriend. I will give him this. Okay, no problem. If you can prove you that you have a girlfriend, no problem. I will give you discount. Somebody said I'm in love with Jesus. Come on, and they date, and they double date. Be disguising everywhere. Okay. Oh, because I said bomb me, this I say I'm begging. No. It's normal slangs now. We see that on what's called on Instagram comments and all these things. So I hear all these things. I hear all these things a lot, you see. And I'm a street boy, I'm a street boy, so I know all these things. And I'm saying street boy, some of you are just laughing. What if I have two girlfriends? That's not right, actually. We're not going to give you discount. You have two girlfriends. You have to get two discounts. Instead, no discount for you because you're being an unfaithful guy. If you cannot even be faithful with one girl, how am I sure that you're going to be faithful with this mentorship? You see, that's the reason we're going to be disqualifying you, because you're not a faithful person. You are double dating, and you're proud to show me. No, now. Okay, now let's take some serious questions, please. Let's take some serious questions. Apart from mentorship, ask me questions, forex related questions, guys. Ask me forex related questions. Let's deal with forex, the mentality. Somebody say, Jeff, I'm married. Good. You can get. You guys will get. I'm just. Exactly. This was the question I saw earlier. This is from Michael GBPUSD. He says, as a swing trader, how can I manage my emotions? Powerful. Ghanaians will say, Charlie, this is really huge. It is really huge. It be me plus you, we cannot day here, because if not be me plus you, I don't know how we they can. And I don't look at them like this. Charlie, I want to bring this in English now. So as a swing trader, managing your emotions is really, as a trader generally, managing your emotion is very, very paramount. Because if you're an emotional person, there are two ways your emotion can display: when you are making money and when you are losing money. Either fear or greed, two of them classified under emotions. Sometimes, whenever you are making money, you're always fearful, because that's why you notice that if you check your trading history, you can know the one you fall into, whether you are being emotional. Your emotion is either greed or fear. You can tell. If it is greed, go back to your trading history. You will be able to tell. If it is greed, when you are making profit, you will not want to cut. You are always hopeful that it will keep going more. You will see $20,000, you'll be like, no, this $20,000. Yesterday I made $40,000. Today I must make, at least I want to improve. I want to make $45K or $50,000. $50,000 rather. Okay, so that is why if you're also a fearful trader, go and check your trading history. You find out that each time you always take small profits. So you see that you can't just be taking profits really quick, and you can't be delaying profits. So you have to be like praying and proper. You have to have a system that tells you, get in at this point, get out at that point. That is when you will not be emotional. So in order for you to take care of your emotion, usually is keeping a trading journal or keeping a trading system, having a trading system. So that trading system is a system that will always be able to checkmate you whenever you are in on a trade. That's why I always say you don't think while you're in a trade. You think before you get in on the trade. But when you're thinking, maybe as you're in this trade, and maybe we are trying to buy at this point, please don't buy. It's just an example. And now market is selling, it's moving against us. If we don't have a trading plan that says, okay, stay not until your price move against about 50 people, 20 people, 40 people, as the case may be, don't exit. If you don't have a trading plan, you act on based on just emotion. That would not pay you. So it makes sense that you always hold on for price to always get to where you already determined that price is going to get to, and then you take the right action that you already written down before that time. That's how to manage being as a switcher, how to manage your emotions. But in order for you to know the type of emotional problem you have, go back to your trading history. Your trading history will tell you your problem, where your problem is coming from. Okay, I just explain bit tiny. Please, can you share complete video of Forex Millionaire Expo? No. I've shared one already, bit by bit. I've shared it. But the other one, we are still working on it. Like the media team, they are doing a strong thing there. But we'll come up with it and we'll try and work on something. What is the most advisable trade to be taking? I missed that. That's very important. Can I answer that question even without projecting to the screen? What is the advisable? I saw that question. No. Now, can you send in the question again? Because I want to project it to the screen so that people don't think I'm manufacturing the question. The question states that what is the advisable number of trades you should take in a day? Something like that. I couldn't read it fully, but advisable number of trades should be taken, or number of opportunities should, like me, every opportunity every day. Let me not tell you. Let me show you. Let me show you. For me to effectively show you, I need to turn on session break. Every day on GBPUSD, I catch 2 entries, 2 opportunities. I can either stack on them. Entries can be a lot, depending on what my feeling and on the type of account, what I want to achieve with that account. If it's a flipping account, obviously, trust me to tap to the end. But if it's a conservative one, trust me to just go careful. But every day, you can see every blessed day, there are always 2 entries. These are things I show my mentees. Entry 1, entry 2. Check. Entry 1, entry 2. Like two clean entries. So there were always 2. So I'm wondering, like, people keep trading every now and then, trading. I'm like, where you guys seeing these entries? It's not the same market that we're all trading. How not take this? How not take the dwam? Give me soap. How not take the dwam? How? Because some people will enter. You will enter trade, you enter grade. Because I don't know. You will enter the one I'll make it to keep losing. There are only 2 entries. Check. Okay. Can you see the days that I entered? Can you see this day? I entered here 1, entered here twice. Some days once, I might not be able to even catch the second one. Sometimes I may not be able to catch the first one. I'll catch the second one. I might catch the first one and maybe to catch it. But there was always a trade for me every day, or maybe times I'm not trading. But it will not be more than 2 entries. Can you see 1, 2, 1? Anytime 1 trade, 1, 2. See, any day that I lose the 2 of them, I just sleep. I'm not trading again. No matter the next opportunity that I see that is going to work really well, I'm not going to trade. This one, what happened here was greed. I already made 50 pips profit. I wanted it to make more. See, market reversed and killed my stop loss. No argument. See, 1, 2, 1, 2. 2 entries, 1, 2. You don't see any day I do 3 entries. 1, 2, check. Because each box represents daily action. No? Check. 1, only this day. 1, 2. Can you see consistency? So I'm not telling you what I'm not doing. I'm not telling you. I feel I'm even overshowing you guys things. I feel I'm overshowing. I mean, it is necessary to show you guys. When you're ready to learn, it is necessary. You guys can see more than 1,000 people on the call right now. Thank you. What do you do? What do you do if you have losing streak of about 6 trades in a row? That's not losing streak now. 6 trades in a row. That's fine. There's some losing streak that have been in losing streak for like 1 whole month, 2 months, 3 months. It happens. What you have to do in getting out of losing streak. I made a video regarding that to get out from if you are losing. What you have to do with losses is first accept that I'm losing money and relax. Go back. Check your trading journal. What are you doing? Most times, if you are losing, just know that you're no longer following your trading plan. You're trading out of because I've lost 5 trades. Let me place this one, last 6th one, so that I can make back my other losses. If you are trading with that mindset, market will deal with you, because it can go against you more than you can pay for. Far more than you can pay for. If you are trying to buy, it can sell against you far more than you can pay for. So that's why you just have to calm down and think and be systematic about it. So you have to build a system that will further always take you out of that losing streak. All right. What exit strategy should one use to quitting 9 to 5? Hey, this is an amazing question. You want to quit 9 to 5? Welcome, my brother. Welcome. I'm happy to hug you and carry you up and lift you. This is Joseph Endurance. First, get angry at your job. Be angry. Even if they are paying you 1 million in a month, be angry. That's number one way, because if they are paying 1 million in your job, then just know that you are specialized, you are smart, and you can even make 100 times more in a month if you are actually free and doing your stuff at home, trading. That means you are smart for it to be any 1 million. And then 2, you have to take cautious step. Don't just go ahead and sack your manager. No, not be so. Else, hunger might just finish you. So what you could do is make sure you have money enough stacked out for like 6 months that is going to take care of you. If you have a responsibility of your responsibilities, I mean, responsibility could be your children, wife, young ones. In Africa, not only in Africa, person when they carry other people. But if you're that kind of person, you're carrying people. Yes, you have to stack out cash for them, and then start planning an exit strategy. I will not say you should learn on YouTube for free. If you are really sure you want to quit. Why? If you learn on YouTube for you are extending, you will learn, but you are going to take time. So for people that want to learn for free on YouTube, I think that's really beneficial for those, maybe somebody who is in school, who is suffering from ASU strike. It doesn't have anything to do with his time. His time is so much. He can sell it. If he's to sell time, he will be a billionaire. Those kind of people that don't people who are in school, they are doing a 4 years course, but they know in their mind that 4 years course is 10 years. So they want to just waste extra 6 years to now learn something, so that it doesn't matter they are lazy. These are the people that it is okay for them to learn on YouTube. But if you have a shorter time, you want to actually learn, get a mentor, grab a mentor real quick. Mentor that you best resonate with. Don't choose me because I'm funny or I can make you feel good. No. Choose a mentor that you know that you actually do like. It might be a foreigner, anyone I know that best resonates with your personality, that you just like the person. You understand? And also, you may want to choose me because I'm the best mentor in the whole world right now, and even to come. Because I'm the only mentor that will tell you things nobody will need to tell you. Any one of them. So that's one thing. After choosing a mentor, set aside at least $200 to about $8,000 to fund an account. First, don't fund the whole of the account. Split. Do what I call split breaking. Split that your account in, say, in multiples of 5. Give yourself a time that, okay, I want to test myself for 5 different times. So say you have $1,000 account, split into 5 places. Splitting $1,000, my mathematics said that it's going to be $200 each. Start out with that $200. Chances are that you will lose the $200. So don't. Somebody said that my Peter will be correct. But I give shishu. I give shishu. I give a lot to ask my guys now. They give a lot. People are so funny. So choose fund $200. You might lose that $200, but it is, if you are doing the right thing, it is almost impossible for you to lose all of the $1,000 if you split it that way I have taught you. And if I teach you, it's impossible. You can't lose all. You must make money. Or at least you can also try with prop firms, but I prefer funding your personal account. Why do I say fund your personal account? Funding your personal account gives you an edge to do crazy things. It's your money. You want to do crazy things with it. It's flexible. You understand? You'll be flexible with it. All right? So that'll be it for today. So I think this class is already 4 minutes long. So let me draw the curtain from here today. So you guys also remember to come out next week, the same time, exact same time. I'm always showing up here. Now, why did they call me good? That they always turn up. I'm always here to turn up for you guys. Always turning up anytime, any day. Please kindly make sure you follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is Jeffrey_Benson. If you are here, you're not here following me, you're committing a crime. Please go follow me, because there I give out signals. On my Telegram too. The link is also in the description box. Just take a time, expand my description box and check. And remember to like this video. If you're not liking this video, please like. I'm not even going to try to even shade you or anything, but please try to like my video. Like it so that it can be recommended. YouTube algorithm can recommend it to other people. Thank you guys. You guys are the best. You guys are the best. Peace out. Thank you. You guys made me this so good. You guys make me this so good. And I appreciate you guys. And we'll always keep showing up here. We'll always keep showing up. All right. So until next time, keep sending in your requests. Keep sending in your comments. If you have anything at all you think you would have us to want to check out, or anything, services you want us to have in our VIP mentorship, just let me know. Or any way you think you can actually learn best, you think it's going to be very beneficial to you to learn more, let me know. I definitely will grant you. So until next time, see you guys. Still remain your number one and favorite mentor here on YouTube. Bye guys. I love you all.